Hey guys, it's Becky. I'm just going to give you a quick little tutorial on the assignments tab in Schoology. So when you sign into Schoology, you're just going to click on any course that you want to go to. For now, I will go to homeroom because I don't really ever post anything in there. And what I'm going to ask that you do is go to the Add Materials button and add assignment. So the one cool thing about adding an assignment is that it automatically populates to your gradebook. And you can have the students turn in different electronic assignments to this tab. So you would type in any assignment name that you choose. So I'm going to say estimating sum. And just a quick little description. The students will fill in the worksheet to demonstrate their knowledge of estimating sums. You can set a due date, but it's not mandatory. And you should change your point value to whatever you want it to be. So for this assignment, I'm going to choose 10. And then you can use your different categories that you might have in this class. For this, I'm going to choose a practice. And then you're going to want to change it to whatever grading scale you have for your grade. And then down here is just a bunch of different options that you have. You can assign this to just a few students. You can align learning objectives to it. So that would be where you would align your Common Core standard. You can lock the assignment so that it's not able to be changed at all. When this little Dropbox button, that's where you would click it to disable the submissions or enable it. So I want to have those enabled because I want the students to be able to submit things to me. This green button down here means that it is published to the students. So as soon as I hit create, the students will be able to see it. This will show me that the grade statistics are disabled, and since I created this as a practice, I don't really need to be able to see a broken down version of what their grade is. This allows the students to comment and myself to comment, and then this would allow me to be able to copy it to many courses. So I have created my assignment, and you will see that it is popped up right here. The description is right below it, so it's on that home screen, so the students are going to be able to see it right there. Then when the students open up the assignment, over here they will see a button to click and hit submit, and then it'll roll them through a bunch of different options on how they're going to upload the assignment. Thanks, bye.